Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn on and off vanish mode in Instagram messages. So let me show you exactly how to do that. Here we are in my Instagram message and I have vanish mode on, as you can see here at the top. It says seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. That's what vanish mode is. So how do we turn this off? Well, to turn it off, all you need to do is swipe up. You want to swipe up until that circle completes, and as you can see, my messages are back here. Now, what if you want to turn the vanish mode back on again? Well, that's just as easy. All we want to do is swipe up. You'll see that circle completing, and it's back on. You want to make sure you do the full swipe. If you just do it quickly, it may not completely turn off. So you want to just touch this and pull it up so that it comes back on again. Let me know if you have any further questions or comments. Please put them below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel so you can get more tips like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.